Unit 3, Lesson 1 test. Number 1. What is the definition of mass? A. How much something weighs. B. A measure of the amount of matter in an object. C. How much space something takes up. Number 2. What is the definition of matter? A. Anything that has mass. B. Anything that takes up space. C. Anything that has mass and takes up space. Number 3. What is the definition of weight? A. The measure of the gravitational force exerted on an object. B. How much volume something takes up. C. How much matter something contains. Number 4. What is the definition of volume? A. The ratio of the mass to the weight. B. The amount of space that an object takes up or occupies. C. How much matter is in an object. Number 5. What is the definition of density? A. The ratio of the mass of a substance to the volume of the substance. B. How much matter something contains. C. The ratio of the weight of a substance to the volume of the substance. Number 6. How do we measure volume? A. Using a spring balance. B. Using a graduated cylinder and water displacement. C. Using a triple beam balance. Number 7. How do we measure mass? A. Using a triple beam balance. B. Using a spring scale. C. Using a laser. 8. How do we measure weight? A. With a triple beam balance. B. With a spring scale. C. With a laser. Number 9. Read carefully. What is the volume of a locker which is 20 centimeters deep, 40 centimeters wide, and 100 centimeters high? A. 120,000 cubic centimeters. B. 30,000 cubic centimeters. C. 80,000 cubic centimeters. Number 10. What do we need to calculate density? A. Mass and volume. B. Weight and volume. C. Length and height and width. Number 11. Read carefully. What is the density of an object with a mass of 350 grams and a volume of 100 cubic centimeters? A. 350 grams. B. 3.5 grams per cubic centimeter. C. 5 grams per cubic centimeter. Number 12. Read carefully. What is the approximate weight of a 300-gram mass on the planet Earth? A. 1 Kelvin. B. 3 newtons. C. 1 newton. D. 1 pound. Number 13. Read carefully. An object has a mass of 45.4 kilograms and weighs 100 pounds on Earth. What is its mass on Mars? A. Less than 45.4 kilograms. B. More than 45.4 kilograms. C. 45.4 kilograms. Number 14. Read carefully. An object has a mass of 45.4 kilograms and weighs 100 pounds on Earth. What is its weight on the Moon? A. More than 100 pounds. B. Less than 100 pounds. C. 100 pounds. Number 15. Read carefully. Which weighs more, a pound of feathers or a pound of lead? A. A pound of feathers. B. A pound of lead. C. They weigh the same.